Hindi na po kasi yung signal. Pero sabi ng bossing natin, baka pwede na tayo ano mabili. Alright! Sound give you a song! Hey!
You can tell the world they've lost my girl. You can grab my clothes and now I'm gone. Or you can tell your friend just wanna put a break and laugh and joke about me on the phone. Yeah. You can tell my arms up to walk apart. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips that I've been reaching out for you no more. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, just don't take it out the set. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill me still. You can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your doctor by my legs. I'll tell your brother groups, but first can tell my lips. You never really liked me anyway. I'll tell you all the reasons, everything you please. Myself already know I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to watch out for my mind, and might be walking up on me one day. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, just don't take it on the set. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill me sad. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Lose
salamat po. And para niya nag-request ti Ilocano song Martir a Puso. Para po sa nag-request ng Martir a Puso.
Sa
Tuy puso kat na ikalang nagiptur kaledan Nangabak na Kasaladyak malasatan Panubok ka na ruay Naing ka insang ba Luy di ilubong ko Ket nagsagabagan nindo Kasi tayo sa Ket na'y liw-liw ako Napanangin fun. I know this song.
by her window. I saw the flickering shadows of love on her blind. She was my woman. As she deceived me, I watched her went out of my mind. Bye, 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 Delilah. Why, Delilah? I couldn't see that girl was not good for me, but I was lost like a slave that no man could free. I'll break of day when that man drove away. I was I crossed the street to her house and she opened the door. She stood there laughing. I felt a knife in my head and she laughed away. Bye, 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 Delilah. Why, Delilah? So before they come to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore. I really said, she stood there laughing. I felt a knife in my head and she laughed away. Bye, 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 Delilah. Why, Delilah? So before they come to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore. Forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore. All right. Ayan, thank you so much for requesting us, ayan, Delilah. Ayan, mga ipay-ipay din may isang kakanta dito, drama na tayo. Alright, give me a love song.
Stuck on you, time spinning down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I know my will. Needing a friend, when I'm feeling out on the side, the trees in the air. Yes, I know my way. What I'm glad and say. Stuck on you, feeling forward so long. Guess it's time for me to come on. Yes, I know my way. So hard to see where all my life came from men like me. Yes, I know my way. Wouldn't let it stay. Go away back to my troubles and I throw it all away. 'Cause this time living in darling, I'm coming home to stay. Yes, I'm coming. Then I'm spinning down, maybe my soul then just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and I went with none decided she to the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. What I'm glad I stay. What I'm glad I stay.
thank you so much po sa nag-request.
Alright, this time we're giving another requested song. Ayan, para po sa nag-request ng That Wonderful Sound. Ayan, girl version po ulitin. Another oldies. Ayan, try po namin kantahin yung mga yung mga request po ninyo na ayan, sobrang tanda.
Anong tanda? Sobrang bata.
Sobrang bata ba? Ayan, tapos na nag-request ng Wonderful Sound. As a light, as a light, my heart beating birds of nights from my bed. Somewhere within your arms again. To think how beautiful, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. Was I just want to hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I've heard the sounds, that wonderful sounds. I need you, my love. Whatever did we part? We're showing those stars have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be so tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. I just want to hear that wonderful sounds. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I've heard the sounds, that wonderful sounds. I need you, my love. Whatever did we part? My love, whatever did we part? Ayan, thank you so much po sa nag-request and that wonderful sounds. Ayan.